Hello students, myself Aman Thakur, Assistant Professor at Modern Group of Colleges, Mukeria. In this video, I will discuss about the distilled water. Here is the objectives of this video. At the end of this video, you will come to know about how distilled water is prepared in the lab and how to store distilled water. First of all, distilled water. What is distilled water? Distilled water is water that can be boiled into vapor and condensed back into liquid in a separate container. Distilled water helps your body clean itself. Mineral-free water helps the body to flush out toxins, since regular water is loaded with minerals and other chemicals. It is much less effective at flushing out the body. Then preparation of distilled water. How distilled water is prepared in the lab. This is the setup of the preparation of distilled water. You can see there is a distillation flask, thermometer, clamp, steam, salt water, Bunsen burner, clamp stand, cooling water, Liebig condenser, then condensed water, receiving flask, and distilled water. So how all this process occurs, let's see in the next slide. Procedure. This is the procedure for the preparation of distilled water in the lab. So first of all, let's discuss about what is distillation. Distillation is the oldest water purification method. In this method, water is first placed in a distillation flask, which is connected to a Liebig condenser, which is further connected to a receiving flask, as you can see in this picture also. Then the distillation flask is heated until the water within starts boiling and evaporates to travel to condenser, where the vapors is cooled back to water. This cooled water then settles into the receiving flask. The water in the receiving flask is purified water, free of contaminants and particles. Then storage of distilled water. How you can store distilled water? So let's start. First of all, there is aspirator bottles. Now what are aspirator bottles? These aspirator bottles are made of polypropylene and used for dispensing distilled water and other laboratory solutions. Or also I can say that these bottles are light in weight and also are leak proof, and it needs only half time to open and close. Then Chemex bottle. Chemex bottles are made up of Kg33 glass Chemex bottles and stopping shoulders of the carboxylide. These bottles are also suitable for distilled water storage and standard solutions. Then there are some other tips to store the distilled water in lab, and those are: number 1, don't use containers or tanks that have not been completely cleaned and disinfected. Number 2, don't fill your containers from an untrusted source. Don't use large containers without appropriate pump or spout for easy access. Don't keep your water in open and unsealed containers that will leave it exposed to bacteria, insects or animals. Don't keep your water supply in a warm environment or in direct sunlight. Don't let stored water sit for longer than 6 months without testing it, especially if you are storing it in a plastic container. Then precautions. What precautions we have to take in while the preparation of distilled water? So steam can cause serious burns, so be careful. Use jars or beakers made from glass which can tolerate high temperature or flame and steam. Dear students, this is all about the distillation process and the storage of distilled water. I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much.